Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to dominate close-range combat in COD Warzone Mobile. While to do that, choose a weapon that excel in close quarter engagement such as SMGs and shotguns. Popular choices includes MP5, MP7, and Fennec for SMGs and Origin 12 or R9-0 shotgun for shotguns. Equip attachments that improve your weapon's handling such as extended magazine, fast ADS, time, and minimal recoil. Mobility is key in close-range combat. Practice fluid movement techniques like strafing, jumping, to make yourself a harder target to hit while maintaining accuracy. Use cover effectively to minimize exposure and surprise opponents with unexpected angles of attack. Aim for headshots whenever possible to minimize damage and secure quick kills. Practice your aim in training modes or against bots to improve your accuracy under pressure. Familiarize yourself with the maps, including high traffic areas and common choke points. Knowing the layout of the terrain can give you an edge in close quarters engagements by allowing you to anticipate enemy movements and ambushes. Tactical equipment like stun grenades and flashbangs can disorient and immobilize opponents, giving you the upper hand in close range encounters. Utilize them strategically to create opportunities for easy kills. Silence is often your ally in close range combat. Use suppressed weapons to keep your position concealed and catch enemy off guard. Utilize the dead silence perk to move quietly and swiftly, allowing you to flank enemies and engage them from unexpected directions. If playing in a squad, effective communication is crucial. Coordinate with your teammates to execute synchronized attacks, cover each other blind spots, and revive downed allies. Share information about enemy position and movement to maintain situational awareness and outmaneuver opponent effectively. Like any skill, mastering close range combat requires practice, dedicated time to hone your reflexes, aim, and tactics in both training modes and actual matches. And that's how to dominate close range combats in COD Warzone Mobile. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.